and then we are ready. So let's also ls into the ref directory. All right, so now we have our FASTQ file here, which has the reads. We also have our reference sequence here. So we are going to use Minimap2 to map the reads to this sequence. All right, so let's run Minimap2. So I'll say Minimap2, now say -ax, now say map-ont, and I'll say -t, that's the number of threads. So here I'll use 6, but you can use 8, 10, or whatever you have available. If you have more than 10, you can specify it. If you are working on a Linux cluster, an HP system, you can have more CPU cores, so you can increase this number to 20 or whatever, but I'll use 6 because I am working on my normal laptop. All right, so I'll also indicate the refs. I'll say ref/assembly.fasta, that becomes my reference sequence, and then I'll indicate the reads. So the reads here, we'll use this file here. So that'll be this .filter.fastq. All right. Now this is the command for mapping, but we also need to do this. We also need to sort the BAM files. The BAM file that we will generate, the output, we have to sort it. So I'll bring another command here, and then I'll say some tools sorts. And I'll say -o, and I'll say mapping / and then I will give the base name here, this sample name here. I'll paste it, and I'll say .bam. All right, you can also use .sorted.bam. That's also fine. So it depends on what you want at the end, but I'm using .bam because I'm going to generate just a single BAM file. But anyway, let's use .sorted.bam. I think that's better, so that we have a description of the file. So we will say this .sorted.bam. So this becomes our final command. So we have our minimap2 command, and then we use some tools to sort the resulting outputs. So let's execute this command. All right, so now mapping has been done. So let's wait for everything to get done for us. All right, Minimap2 has completed its work. So let's take a look at the outputs. So let's ls into the mapping directory. Let's do an ls first. So we have our mapping directory, which has the output, that's the BAM file. So I'll say ls mapping, and I'm going to see my file here. Now what I'm going to do next is to index this BAM file. So I'll say some tools index, and I'll say mapping, and then I'll indicate the BAM file. So this will index the BAM file for me. All right, now we have successfully indexed the BAM file, so we are ready for the next activity. So let's clear the screen and continue.